Can Shopify integrate with Squarespace? Yes, Shopify can integrate with Squarespace through embedded checkout options and third-party integration tools. This allows you to add Shopify's powerful e-commerce features, like secure payments, product listings, and order tracking, directly to your existing Squarespace website. By connecting both platforms, you can continue using Squarespace's elegant design capabilities while leveraging Shopify's robust backend for sales, inventory management, and customer data. This setup creates a smooth, professional shopping experience without needing to rebuild your entire website. Many creators and small business owners use Shopify with Squarespace to combine the best of both worlds: Squarespace for design and Shopify for commerce. It's a proven solution for scaling your store while keeping your brand consistent and performance-driven. You can start using Shopify for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you seamless checkout tools, real-time syncing, and advanced sales features that help you manage and grow your online business with ease.